You started off the discussion by talking about meditation, particularly analytical meditation. But the popular idea of meditation is you should drop your consciousness, drop your thought, you should not think about anything. But you spoke about analytical meditation. So, can you please explain how this fits in?
Meditation, concentration, Sanskrit. I think meditation may be, I think in the English word, meditation may be refer both vipassana and samadhi. So vipassana, analytical meditation. Samadhi, single-pointed meditation, not investigate. Of course, many other sort of form of meditation. In Hinduism and also Buddhism, there are a variety of different meditation. So usually you see people, as you mentioned, meditation means something fully rest, not using our sort of brain, not stopping brain. So one little story. When Bihar Chief Minister, you see, sent some officials invite me in order to invite me to carry the invitation. Then they mentioned their sort of plan, construction. So they originally only meditation center. Then I suggested the Buddhist meditation. In order to carry Buddhist meditation, you should know what is the purpose of the meditation, what is the motivation of the meditation, and what is the actual conduct of meditation. Without knowing this, then just build one building for meditation center, and I jokingly told them, oh, then maybe some people from Bombay, from Bangalore, whose life very busy, and then come to Patna and spend, you see, a few days just rest in the form of meditation. Exactly as you mentioned, thoughtlessness, and remain like robot. What use? So therefore, beside the meditation room or meditation block, you must have classroom and with books about Buddhism. And first, let them study, let them know the purpose of the meditation, what form of meditation, what motivation. Then spend some time in the meditation room. Then that's appropriate. I just jokingly telling them, fortunately they listen my suggestion. So eventually, when I visited there, they already 2 blocks, meditation block and study block, like that. So it is wrong. People get impression. Meditation, simply close your eye and then a bit like that, just to relax. That's not kasuda, not sort of serious sort of meditation, no. According to my own little experience, the analytical meditation really brings clear idea, and that brings new conviction, new awareness, new insight, right? That really impact our destructive emotion. Just short moment, close eye, even in front of Buddha, just close eye and pray. Not much effect on your destructive emotion. So, as far as Buddhism is concerned, the very purpose of Buddhism is to transform our emotion, destructive emotion, reduce, eventually eliminate. For that, only thing is increase positive emotion. Like you see in the room, too much heat, then coolness must increase. Then the heat reduces. That's the only way. Never materialize prayer or visualize you are in the eyes. Will not help. You must do something. Air temperature, cold temperature increase, heat reduce. Similarly, emotion. Although no physical, no color, no kazoda. You can't find, you can touch. So, not like physical contradiction. Mental level, emotional level, contradiction is zindangyawa.
On the mental level, the contradiction needs to be thought of in terms of how the objects are perceived, how the objects are apprehended.
Now, for example, you see one fruit, one arm, somewhere. Or mango, one mango. One mind, at the beginning, one mind, you see, felt, oh, this is very good, must be very sweet. And then someone told you, no. Or you yourself, you see, tested. Then not that much sweet. Then the second part of your mind, no, this is not sweet. So these two minds, contradictory. One mind, one level, consider very good, sweet. Later part of the mind, the same object, same fruit, but continuation of that mind, completely contradictory. So that's the Dzanga.
So this indicates how the first moment of the mind, which views the mango as very sweet, and the second moment of the mind, which sees the mango as very sour or non-sweet, these two are contradictory in terms of the apprehension of how the mango is perceived.
So, in order to, mentally, any sort of contradictory mind, the mind which has valid basis always can increase. The mind or emotion which no sound basis, no matter how forceful or temporary, it cannot remain. So now, loving kindness, compassion, sound basis, scientifically, religiously, philosophically, more sort of familiarized, more alive in your mind, you get benefit. Opposite, strong anger, hatred, very strong, but no proper basis. If you think long term, if you think more holistic, you will find that strong anger is based on ignorance. All these destructive emotion, no proper base, because that's now Buddhist way. All destructive emotion based on ignorance. Now, for example, may I go further? Oh, now I can stop. Thank you. It's very good. I think very good. You should know the meditation is not that simple. Analytical meditation is much effective, much better. Yes, now.